Example number 22. Y is equal to 10 twice x plus 3. Y is equal to 10 twice x plus 3. So this is a composite function. So derivative of this is dy by dx is equal to 10 ब्रैकेट में क्या है ट्वाइस एक्स प्लस 3 और डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 10x इज सेक स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट एंड डी डी एक्स ऑफ ब्रैकेट अगेन that is twice x plus 3. So this is sec square twice x plus 3 into derivative of twice x plus 3. 2 is constant, derivative of x is 1, so this is 2 into 1 plus derivative of 3 is 0. So answer will be 2 times sec square twice x plus 3. Example number 23. It's given that y is equal to sine cos x square. So here first sine bracket, derivative of sine bracket is cos bracket. So differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to cos bracket into t dx of bracket में क्या है cos x square. So cos x square, here also cos x square. Now this is cos x square into d dx of cos. This is again bracket. So cos bracket, derivative of cos bracket is minus sine bracket into d dx of bracket again. ब्रैकेट में क्या है x square. So x square. So your answer will be minus sine x square into cos of cos x square and derivative of x square is twice x. So final answer is minus twice x sine x square cos x square. Question 8. Y is equal to cos root x. Now this is y is equal to cos bracket. So dy by dx is equal to derivative of cos bracket is minus sine bracket and derivative of bracket again, that is root x. Now we know that derivative of root x, that is derivative of x raised to half, that is derivative of x raised to half is half x raised to half minus 1, that is 1 upon 2, x raised to minus 1 upon 2, that is this is 1 upon 2, x raised to minus half means root x in denominator. So means derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x, that is derivative of root bracket is 1 upon 2 root bracket. So similarly derivative of root x, you have to remember now this as a formula, derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 times root x. So writing this minus sine root x into derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 times root x. Question 7. Y is equal to 2 under root cot x square. So given is y is equal to 2 under root cot x square, that is root bracket. Now we know that d dx of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. d dx of root x is 1 upon 2 root x, that is root bracket, derivative of root bracket is 1 upon 2 root bracket into d dx of bracket. So applying this rule to here, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to 2 as it is. Root bracket is 1 upon 2 root bracket, that is cot x square, and d dx of bracket, that is cot x square. So this 2 will be cut. This is 1 upon root cot x square into derivative of cot bracket. Derivative of cot bracket is minus cosec square bracket, and derivative of bracket again, that is x square. Now this is root cot x square. So cot x is cos upon sine. So this is root sine x square upon root cos x square. This is minus cosec square x square, that is 1 upon sine x square into derivative of x square is twice x. Derivative of x square is twice x. So this is minus 2x root sine x square whole upon root cos x square into, this is sine square x square. So I am writing sine x square into sine x square, sine x square into sine x square. Now you know that root x upon x, that is 1 upon root x. So this is root sine x square upon sine x square, that is this is root sine x square. So this becomes minus twice x whole upon under root cos x square into under root, this is sine x square under root, and this is sine x square, sine x square. Now writing this as a one root, so this is minus 2x whole upon under root sine x square into cos x square, and this is sine x square, sine x square. Now multiplying here by 2, that is root 2. So dividing by root 2, what we get here? We get here, this is minus 2 root 2x whole upon, now this is root 2 sine x square cos x square. Now you have one formula, 2 sine theta cos theta, answer is sine 2 theta, answer is sine 2 theta. So applying this formula here, this formula here, this is sine theta cos theta, so answer will be under root sine 2 theta, theta is x square, so 2 theta is x square into sin x square. Now remember one formula: derivative of sin square x. Derivative of sin square x is 2 sin x into cos x. Derivative of sin square x is 2 sin x into cos x. So question number 6. Y is equal to cos x cube into sin square x raised to 5 into sin square x raised to 5. So here given two function, so we have to apply u into v product rule. You know d dx of u into v is equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. So applying this product rule to here, that is differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to, this is u, so u as it is, that is cos x cube as it is, derivative of d dx of sin square x raised to 5, that is sin x raised to 5 whole square, sin x raised to 5 whole square plus sin square x raised to 5 as it is, and derivative of cos x cube, derivative of cos x cube. Got it? d dx of u into v is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. So here this is our u and we have this is v. So u as it is, derivative of this plus the v as it is and derivative of this. Now this is cos x cube. Now derivative of sin x raised to 5 whole square, that is bracket raised to n. Bracket raised to n derivative is n bracket raised to n minus 1. Either we, so here derivative of sin square x is 2 sin x cos x. So derivative of sin bracket square, that is 2 sin x raised to 5 into cos x raised to 5, and bracket is x raised to 5. So again differentiating with respect to x, d dx of x raised to 5. Got it? Derivative of sin square x is 2 sin x cos x. Now instead of x, here we have bracket. So derivative of sin square x is 2 sin x cos x. So derivative of sin x raised to 5 whole square is 2 sin x raised to 5 cos x raised to 5, and derivative of bracket is d dx of x raised to 5 plus sin square x raised to 5. Now derivative of cos x cube, that is cos bracket, derivative of cos bracket is minus sin bracket into d dx of bracket, that is x cube. Now this is cos x cube into, now this is 2 sin theta into cos theta, this is 2 sin theta into cos theta. So answer will be sin 2 theta. Derivative of x raised to 5, derivative of x raised to 5 is 5 x raised to 4. minus, this is plus, so in multiplication minus sine square x raised to 5 into sine x cube into derivative of x cube is 3x square. Derivative of x cube is 3x square. So what we get here? This is 5 times x raised to 4 cos x cube sine 2 times x raised to 5 minus 3x square sine square x raised to 5 into sine x cube. Question number 5. Y is equal to sine ax plus b whole upon cos cx plus d. So this given function is of u upon v form. So we know derivative of u upon v, derivative of u upon v is equal to, in denominator square, that is v square, denominator as it is, that is v as it is, derivative of numerator, that is du by dx, minus numerator as it is and derivative of denominator dv by dx. So this is your quotient rule or division rule. So applying this rule to given example, so this is our sine ax plus b is our u and this is v. So differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to, dy by dx is equal to denominator square, that is v square. So here denominator is cos cx plus d, denominator as it is, that is cos cx plus d as it is, derivative of u, that is numerator, u is here, sine ax plus b, so derivative of sine ax plus b, that is d dx of sine ax plus b minus u, numerator as it is, that is sine ax plus b as it is, derivative of denominator is cos, so derivative of cos cx plus d, right? Got it? Derivative of y is equal to sine ax plus b upon cos cx plus d, that is u upon v. So first denominator square, that is this cos cx plus d whole square, denominator as it is, derivative of numerator minus numerator as it is, derivative of denominator. Now one by one differentiating these. So cos cx plus d as it is, derivative of sine bracket, derivative of sine bracket is cos bracket and derivative of bracket, that is ax plus b, minus sine ax plus b as it is, sine ax plus b as it is, derivative of cos bracket, derivative of cos bracket, derivative of cos bracket is minus sine bracket and derivative of bracket, and derivative of bracket is cx plus d, सॉरी थोड़ा जगह कम है, होल अपॉन कॉस square cx plus d. Got it? Now cos cx plus d as it is, so cos cx plus d as it is, cos ax plus b, so cos ax plus b, d dx of ax plus b. A is constant, derivative of x is 1 and derivative of b is 0, so this is a, minus, and this is minus, so this is plus, sin ax plus b into sin cx plus d. Again, derivative of cx plus d, derivative of cx plus d, that is derivative of x is 1, c is constant, derivative of d is 0, so answer is c, whole upon cos square cx plus d. Now this is cos cx plus d, cos ax plus b into a, whole upon, bifurcating, whole upon cos square cx plus d plus sin ax plus b sin cx plus d into c, whole upon cos square cx plus d. Now this cos cx plus d, cos cx plus d, one cos cx plus d will be cut, so remaining will be a constant, cos ax plus b whole upon cos cx plus d, plus here this is sin cx plus d, this is cos square cx plus d, and this is c constant, so writing c first, then sin ax plus b into sin cx plus d upon cos cx plus d. Now this is cos square, so I am writing one cos here, so into 1 upon cos cx plus d, right? So this is a into cos ax plus b. Now you know that 1 upon cos theta, 1 upon cos theta, 1 upon cos theta, answer will be sec theta. So similarly here this is 1 upon cos cx plus d, that is sec cx plus d, plus c sin ax plus b. Now this is sin upon cos, that is tan, so tan cx plus d into 1 upon cos is again sec cx plus d, right? So this is your answer. Now example 44. First, y is equal to root 3x plus 2 plus 1 upon root 2x square plus 4. So this is y is equal to root 3x plus 2 plus this is 2x square plus 4 raised to minus 1 upon 2, right? So now you know derivative of root bracket, derivative of root bracket is 1 upon 2 root bracket into d dx of bracket, and derivative of bracket raised to n is n bracket raised to n minus 1 into d dx of bracket. So applying first rule to here and second rule to here. So now dy by dx is equal to derivative of root bracket is 1 upon 2 root bracket. So bracket is 3x plus 2. So this is 1 upon 2 times root bracket is 3x plus 2. So this is 3x plus 2 into d dx of bracket, that is 3x plus 2. Got it? Derivative of root bracket is 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 root bracket into derivative of bracket plus applying formula bracket raised to n bracket raised to n minus 1 into d dx of bracket. So n is minus half bracket, that is 2x square plus 4 raised to n minus 1, that is minus half minus 1 into d dx of bracket is 2x square plus 4. So 2x square plus 4. So this is 1 upon 2 root 3x plus 2 into, now derivative of 3x plus 2, 3 is constant, derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 2 is 0. So answer will be 3 plus minus, that is minus 1 upon 2. This is 2x square plus 4 raised to minus half minus 1, that is minus 3 by 2, and derivative of 2x square is 4x and plus 4 is 0. So your final answer will be 3 upon 2 times root 3x plus 2 minus, this is 2 will be cut, so minus twice x upon, this is 2x square plus 4 is to minus 3 by 2. So if we write in denominator, this become plus. So 2x square plus 4 raised to 3 by 2. So this is example number 44. Second, y is equal to log of log x base 7. Now we have formula d dx of log x base e is 1 upon x, but here given base is 7, so this formula is not applicable. So this formula is only applicable for base, natural base e. Here instead of this log x base 7 is given, so you have one formula log x base a is equal to log x base e upon log a base e. So applying this change of base rule here, what we get here, y is equal to log of log x, change of base rule, log x base a, then log x base e. So this is log x base 7, then log x base e upon log 7 base e upon log 7 base e. Now derivative of log bracket is 1 upon bracket. So here dy by dx is equal to, now 1 upon log 7 base e is constant, so 1 upon log 7 base e is constant, and derivative of log bracket is 1 upon bracket into d by dx of bracket again. Now bracket में क्या है? log x. So log x into log x. So answer will be 1 upon log 7 base e into 1 upon log x. And now this is d dx of log x base e. So that is log x derivative is 1 upon x. So your final answer is 1 upon log 7 base e, 1 upon log x into 1 upon x. Either you can write like this, applying change of base rule here again, this change of base rule, you can write log e base 7 into 1 upon x into log x. Question number 2. Y is equal to sin cube x plus cos raised to 6x. So y is equal to sin x whole cube plus cos x whole raised to 6. So differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to bracket raised to n. Bracket raised to n. And you know derivative of bracket raised to n is n bracket raised to n minus 1. So derivative of bracket raised to n here, n is 3. So this is 3 bracket raised to n minus 1 into d dx of bracket. अब bracket में क्या है? sin x. So sin x plus similarly same formula, this is n bracket raised to n minus 1 into d dx of bracket. Bracket में क्या था? cos x. So this is cos x. So this is 3 times sin x raised to 2, that is sin square x, derivative of sin x is cos x, plus 6 into cos raised to 5x. So cos raised to 5x, and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So now taking common 3 sin x cos x. So remaining term will be sin x minus 2 times cos raised to 4x. Question number 1. Y is equal to 3x square minus 9x plus 5 raised to n. So this is your bracket. Bracket raised to n. So derivative of dy by dx is equal to bracket raised to n. Derivative of bracket raised to n is n bracket raised to n minus 1 into d dx of bracket. Now bracket में क्या है? 3x square minus 9x plus 5. So here 3x square minus 9x plus 5. So this is 9 into 3x square minus 9x plus 5. 9 minus 1 is 8 into derivative of 3x square is 6x minus 9 plus derivative of 5 is 0. So taking 3 common from here, 9 into 3. So if we take 3 common, so this become twice x minus 3. So twice x minus 3 into 3x square minus 9x plus 5 whole to power 8, that is 27. Twice x minus 3, 3x square minus 9x plus 8 to the power